Stainless steel inner cooking pot, food grade 304, 18/8, no chemical coating. 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. Markings at 1/2 and 2/3 for pressure cooking safety. Polished surface for easy cleaning, food sticks less to surface. Dishwasher safe. The genuine Instant Pot inner cooking pot is stainless steel food grade 304, 18/8, with no chemical coating, and a 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. The polished surface makes food stick less and is easier to clean. Designed with inner markings at 1/2 and 2/3 for pressure cooking safety. Having a secondary Instant Pot inner pot makes it convenient and easy when preparing multiple dishes with your Instant Pot cooker. Not compatible with Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus series. Top reviews from the United States. Top quality additional inner pot. Really pleased with this second inner bowl. I was anxious the quality would not be equal to the original, but this seems identical in weight and quality. I don't use my Instant Pot Duo 6-liter at home as I have a 4-oven oven which fulfills all my cooking requirements. However, when we holiday we usually take a holiday cottage and I take my IP for cooking there as I am a disaster cooking on electric or gas having cooked on August for so many years. This additional pot will be great for when I want to make soup and a main course or perhaps rice to accompany the main course curry, or beans etc. I now have a bowl for each, and can reheat in both. Katie Thompson, home economist.